Hey everyone, it's Chris here from the Hot Wheels Garage, and today we're checking out the 4 brand new castings from the Hot Wheels 2020 NK. So smash a big thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe if you like seeing all the brand new castings that Hot Wheels release. Now let's dive straight into it. First up, let's check out the 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel. It's car 2 of 10 in the Hot Wheels Hot Truck series. Very, very nice looking car. It's almost like it could be a factory fresh car. Take a look. Got those big, huge BLOR wheels, nice red paintwork. We've got a black plastic base there. We've got clear windows so we can see right on into that black interior. We've got the Ram at the front there, which looks very nice on the grille. We've got the headlight details. We've got the rear details there with rear tail lights. We've got the Ram on the back, 4x4. Man, this car is cool. I would really love to see this in the Factory Fresh series because it is a brand new release and it's a brand new 2020 production model, which is also very, very cool. Let's check out the detailed views. Next up, it's the 96 Chevrolet Impala SS. It's car 2 of 10 in the Nightburner series. Take a look at this car. Very, very nice in black. Let's get it off the card. You can see some tampos on the front already. We've got a black plastic base, and like I said, those tampos at the front, we've got headlight tampos. We've got a small little Chevrolet symbol at the front there as well. We've got some Impala tampo on the side there. Very, very nice car. Clear windows, black interior. We've got those silver 5-spoke wheels there. Looks very, very nice. Let me know what you think of this 96 Chevrolet Impala SS in the comments below. It's a really cool car, and I do like that we're seeing a 4-door sedan car released. It's very, very cool. Okay, it's time to check out the McLaren Speedtail, car 2 of 10 in the Hot Wheels Exotic series. Very nice looking car. Let's get it off the card. Take a look. We've got those 2 different wheels here. We've got the disc wheels at the front and the 10-spoke at the back, both in grey. It is very reminiscent of the actual production version of this car, having 2 different wheel types. Very cool. We've got the McLaren symbol on the front there. We've got a dark tinted window, just a red stripe on the back there. Black interior for 3 people because this seats 3 only, which is pretty cool. Got that grey base. Now we've got some tampos at the back. They're very hard and very small to see. The McLaren Speedtail detail is right there on the back with those tail lights. Pretty cool looking car. It's actually McLaren's fastest production car yet, which is also pretty awesome and nice to have here released by Hot Wheels. Let's check out the detailed views of the McLaren Speedtail. Now last up, it's the 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko, car 3 of 10 in the Hot Wheels Exotic series, and what a car to be in the Exotic series. Let's get it off the card and take a look. Man, it's got those OH5 wheels in chrome. We've got some little detail on the front there, the green stripe, the black for the intake, as well as some grey panels there. We've got the headlight details, nice scoop on the front of the car, should still perform okay on the track. We've got a huge wing at the back there. I'm not sure if this is paintwork on here or if it's a tampo. Let's have a check. Might actually be paintwork on that back of that car. Also got a little bit of detail on the back where it says Akaneseg for the name of the brand, which is cool. Man, I think this car is going to be nice on the track, and if not on a track builder track, it's going to be pretty cool on the 6-lane Super Raceway. Let me know what you think of this Koenigsegg Jesko in the comments below. Now let's check out the detailed views of this pretty cool car.